My name is Aviv Grinberg. I'm 29 years old. I'm a sculptor and a painter. I live and work in the Neve Sha'anan neighborhood in south of Tel Aviv. I like to use lots of colors, especially bright neon colors. Color and its qualities is something that always fascinated me and drew me to do it. That is what drew me to start working with cleaning materials. As I mentioned before, I live in the Neve Sha'anan, which is a relatively neglected area, which ironically has lots of maintenance shops. I gather my materials from there. These are everyday cleaning and maintenance materials, which are usually hidden in a storage room or a cupboard. But I glorify them by, for example, putting them on a shiny display. One day I was walking into the local grocery store and I walked past the cleaning section and I realized that the colors on the shelves are similar to the color palette I use in my paintings. So I took a few bottles to my studio and used them to fill up a new tube installation. And working with the cleaning materials brought up memories that up until then I kept in. When I was in the army, I used cleaning products on a daily basis. I served as a warden in a military prison where I was in charge of 120 prisoner soldiers. And the system way to keep the prisoners occupied was through cleaning drills. At least 3 major cleaning drills per day in an old crumbling building that could never be cleaned. And the Sisyphean nature of the prison work brought to my attention a pattern that showed in other aspects of my life. For example, I grew up in a home where cleanliness was a kind of obsession and kids aren't allowed to step in the living room. And memories like this are what drove me to bring out the cleaning bottles out of their mysterious hiding spots and put them on a display.